first thing that you need to know is that negotiation happens in 4 phases. In this course, we'll discuss the first phase, preparation. Then you'll learn how to open the negotiation, bargain, and close the negotiation in future courses.
Great! What do I need to do in the preparation phase?
Timelines, like when the deadline for installing the air conditioners is. Then there's the budget.
Do I need to know those things before contacting the supplier?
Ideally, yes. You'll also need to know the specifications, like the compression power and cooling capacity. You should also find out who we've used in the past and the terms and conditions in the past contract.
Seems like a lot. Where will I find all this stuff?
There are lots of different sources of information. One of them is standing right in front of you.
My laptop?
Me. I negotiated the last air conditioner contract. Of course, there is also a lot you can find on the internet, especially on industry websites.
Don't forget about me.
Ron, my favorite business controller. Where'd you come from?
Adesh, the maintenance manager, joins the conversation.
I heard you guys talking about air conditioners. Ours aren't great. It's always either too hot or too cold.
Getting feedback from stakeholders is another important source of information.
Oh, and your budget is $500,000. Don't even think about coming to ask me for more.
What else do I need to know?
I'll email you the specifications that we need. And remember, we have 2 different sites. The offices here and our other office building about 50 miles from here.
Oh, and before I forget, the supplier will need to install the air conditioners over the weekend. We can't have that work going on during the workday.
We'll also need to train the maintenance team on using the new air conditioners. Don't forget about that one. Are you getting all this?
Yes, I'm taking notes. Wow, there's a lot to think about. I've found the last contract that we negotiated for air conditioners. I know my budget. I've got feedback from stakeholders. I have the specification. I know where they need to be installed, and they need to train our maintenance people. Now, what do I do?
Once you are clear on what you need, it's time to send the Request for Proposal, RFP. See our e-sourcing courses for more information on running successful RFPs.